How to be in community with Black people. I'm going to give you 3 simple steps that you can take to effectively and successfully be in community with Black people, because to continue saying things like, we need to come together, we need unity, we all have to work together to fight these systems that are coming against us and all of this stuff, but you don't even know how to be in community. You're not even a safe person for Black people. Why would we want to be in community with you? Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 simple steps that you can follow to help you learn how to be in community with us, period. So watch this video all the way to the end. Here's your number 1 tip for how to be in community with Black people. Okay, number 1 is that you need to be investing in your own anti-racism education and cultural competency training or education, because you are not a safe person for us if you do not have self-awareness. You don't know that you have internalized anti-Blackness that you need to unlearn. You don't realize that you hold racial stereotypes and racial biases within your own mind, and you haven't unlearned those yet. You haven't deconstructed them. That makes you not safe for us. So in order to be in community with us, you have to be a safe person for us. And how can you be safe if you haven't invested in the education that shows you and opens your mind and teaches you the things that you've never been taught and that you never learned from your family or from the education system? Okay, because if you don't do that, you're going to start to cause harm. And then when you get called out, you're going to react, you're going to get defensive, and then you're going to continue to cause more harm and blame us for calling you out. Number 2, you need to know your role in the community. Think of community as a group project. Everyone that's in the group project has to contribute something. They have to come to the table with something to contribute. So know what your role is in the community that you are participating in or that you are a part of. Or is it a financial role? Are you someone that is investing money into the community? Are you raising money for people in the community? Are you showing up and using your privilege, your network, your connections, your social media platforms, your business, etc., for the purpose of helping the community to reach their goals, to expand and advocate for more people who are in vulnerable, marginalized communities? Know what your role is. Number 3, come into the community with this mentality. I'm going to give more than I take. I'm going to give more than I take. Come with the mentality that I'm here to serve the needs of this community, not I'm here to benefit from this community. I'm here to extract free labor from Black people. I'm here to see what connections I can make. I'm here to virtue signal and look like I'm a good person by being a part of this community. No, come to give more than you take. And at the same time, it's also not simply transactional, right? It is genuine. It is authentic. It's steeped in compassion and empathy and care for humanity and care for your fellow neighbors and friends and people around you who need support. So come into the community with that mentality. I'm here to give more than I take. And those are 3 simple ways that you can learn how to be in community with Black people. And I have 1 bonus tip for you today. Now, listen, I know that you might think you know what's best for people. You know what people need. You've read all the books. You've watched all the videos. You've been to the protests. You have done all the things. But sometimes you don't know what people truly need. So you have to listen to people in that community when they tell you this is what we need, and be flexible to do what's needed, not what's comfortable. I'm going to say that again. Be flexible to do what is needed, not what is comfortable for you. And remember, community is not an event. Community is not an event. It's a way of life. It's an experience. Okay? So don't think I went to that protest, I went to that event, I went to that thing that one time. Now I'm done. I'm good. No, it's not an event. It's a way of life. Now, if you want to continue to learn more and do what I talked about in tip number 1, which is investing in anti-racism education and cultural competency training, all you have to do is go to that link on my profile. You can join my Patreon community today, or you can sign up for my 7-day challenge, the 7 habits of culturally competent leaders. So get to work, get into community, get informed, and remember, give more than you take. Get out of this mentality that Black people are just here to serve you, here to give free labor, and you don't have to give anything in return. That's not how community works. When we all do our part, beautiful things happen, and that's how we create positive systemic change. Anti-racism is not a diet, it's a lifestyle.